Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great, and welcome to this, your daily update, of course, on Manta. All right, we covered Manta yesterday. I think when we covered it yesterday, I think the price was still up here. We just received a bearish breakout below 3.5, which was expected if you watched the video 2 days ago. And then yesterday we started talking about, well, can Manta actually break above 3.5 here? To start up some sort of a consolidation, or is it most likely that will drop down lower? And to be fair, and I just want to remind you, the title of the video I made on Manta yesterday was Manta crash warning. All right, because, and I think I said that as well, I felt like, especially when looking at Bitcoin and the market in general, I felt like it was more likely that we would actually break through our main support, which was 3.25, and that also happened quite early in the morning. Like in the end, I mean, we just took a beautiful break retest off of 3.45. So there you could have already seen that it really looked like a beautiful start to a downtrend technically. Now in hindsight, that's always easy to say, but what I'm trying to say is that yesterday the signs were already there. So hopefully you were able to reduce some losses. Otherwise, hopefully you've learned something. All right, it's hard to not walk away with anything positive. But no, I mean, what we're seeing is that the momentum for Manta really peaked on Saturday. All right, so when we made that first high, since then momentum has basically been dropping down. Every now and then we do have a little bit of a spike, and that's also what you can see in the price. I mean, right now as well, Solana is showing some real resilience. We just put in a bottom indicator. We're at the 236 FIB, but it does look like we'll break above that. We've already broken above $3. So I think Manta is still very strong. And that's also, like, I try to take a look at this every time we cover Manta. But if you look at the total value locked for Manta, we're also, well, we're not putting in all-time highs, but we are very close to the all-time highs. So Manta fundamentally, and also looking at the market circumstances, like even though the market circumstances right now are less bullish, Manta is still holding its own. So yeah, that's great to see. But like I said, I mean, if you look at the market structure right here, this is bearish. So it's kind of seeing what we'll be able to do from here. I think an uptrend at this moment is unlikely. For that, what we would need to see is way more volume and way more open interest. So that is a possibility, but just at this moment that I'm making this video, it really isn't. Like I would say that the volume would need to be at least like $800 million. So if that gets closer, then it's fine. But then again, the open interest is growing right now. So I do think that Manta can spike into this resistance right here at 3.2 and 3.25, and then there's a chance that we can actually set up some sort of a consolidation, which I think would be nice. But that really depends. Look, what I expect is that Manta will push into this level right here at 3.2 and 3.25. From there, I do expect resistance. I don't think we'll break above that. Like I said, then we would be bullish, and I don't think we have enough momentum to be bullish. So I think we'll push into that, and then if we're able to hold 3.1 and 3.05 as a support, then we can actually form a consolidation. Now, given the market circumstances and what I expect from Bitcoin, I would say it's more likely that we'll push into that resistance and then, find support initially, but then drop down lower. So I do think we'll drop down lower towards 2.8 and 2.75 here with Manta, but there's a chance to form some sort of a consolidation. So now you at least know what to look at. I'm still bearish on Manta, unfortunately, at least technically. Fundamentally, I'm not. But yeah, I think that's what you need to know for now. So if you do have any questions, of course, let me know. Don't forget to check out my premium and signal group. A lot of value in there, but that's completely up to you to check out. For now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.